everyone, welcome back to the video. So in this video I'll tell you how to stop screenshots from showing full screen previews in iOS 26. Taking a screenshot on iOS 18 and earlier produces a thumbnail in the bottom left corner momentarily that you can touch to open the full screen interface in markup, crop and other tools. iOS 26 turns this upside down as the captured screenshot opens in full screen. And if you exit the markup interface by hitting the pencil icon, you can see visual intelligence on the screenshot. This change possesses a significant hindrance to taking multiple screenshots in a quick succession. It gets in a way of instantly sharing a screenshot without extra steps. The good news is you can revert this behavior with a few taps. Even better, we have step-by-step instructions showing you how it's done. So in this video, I'll tell you how can you do this. But first, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So I'm gonna tell you turn off iPhone screenshot preview on iOS 16. You will see a small pop-up after taking your first screenshot on iOS 26 asking if you'd like to change this behavior. If you missed it, go to settings, then scroll down and go to general option. Next, scroll down and choose screen capture and turn off the full screen preview switch. This will stop subsequent screenshot from opening automatically after being taken. To check, grab a test screenshot and you should see a thumbnail in the bottom left corner instead of the full screen interface. Like before, the thumbnail swooshes out of view after 3 seconds and gets saved in photos. And you are done. I hope this video will help you to stop screenshots from showing full screen previews in iOS 26, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.